Hey, Jan here today from Needle, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can actually install N8n with the Needle node. So Needle is a custom node which you can add to your N8n application when you host it on a local host. But to do that you need to set it up, and therefore we have created this specific repository here, which is this Needle N8n nodes repository, which allows you to add a custom node, which is the Needle node, to your N8n application. So first of all, we need pnpm installed. If you don't have it, please install it with this command. And if then you have installed it, actually we will use pnpm, which is like the official recommendation by N8n to be used. And therefore we are here then within our Needle N8n nodes repository. And we can go now cd to this specific .n8n/custom folder, which is like in our root here, as you see with the tilde. And here specifically we want to then install our custom node, which is this Needle N8n nodes. So as you see now, successfully one package has been added, which is this Needle N8n nodes. And now we actually can use it within our N8n service when we use the local hosted version. Since we have now the Needle node installed, we can do N8n start. So now we can use this local host, but actually we cannot use it here within Safari. As you see here, I'm within Safari, so I can do this. And it says actually you are using Safari, and if you do so, then N8n with localhost doesn't work. And therefore I spin this up now here within our Chrome, and in Chrome, as you see, it is working. And if we then here go over to our workflows, we can create a new workflow, as the workflow here is already created by me, and I did a demo on that. And if we go over here to the plus sign, we can see there is the specific Needle tools that we have, such as this collections, add files to collection, or search also like files within the collection, which is basically our rag tool here being used within the N8n application. So as you see, it is very easy to set up Needle here as a custom node to your N8n application. We are currently not available within the cloud N8n version because this is a custom node, and N8n only allows you to be used within the cloud version or be integrated to the N8n cloud version if you have a specific amount of requests for your specific node, which we currently haven't gotten. And if you want to support us and make Needle available also within the N8n cloud version, please upvote our thread on adding Needle to the N8n cloud version, as other people have already done. When there is a sufficient amount of people who request Needle to be used or Needle to be added to the N8n cloud version, N8n is going to take this consideration into account and going to also enable Needle within the N8n cloud version. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions how to set up the custom Needle node into your localhost N8n application, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and happy coding.